Orlando Pirates are playing Marumo Gallants.
Whoever who's doing the scouting or the hiring of the coaches at Marumo Gallants seems to know what he's doing.
He knows what he's doing. He doesn't know how to treat people because he's still owing Kola.
Yeah, Nadim, head-to-head, Marumo Gallants versus Orlando Pirates. Currently, Pirates is leading with 6 wins, Marumo with 2. So it's not going to be an easy one.
Also, Napolis really getting a goal. 3-1 Orlando Pirates.
In games like this, you need Mabasa. Remember what he did against Stellenbosch?
It's a bit tricky at the back because we're not sure as to they're going to give OTLB a farewell.
Pirates needs to be wary of Ndlondlo. He's been firing left and right.
You need big name players.
In this final, I see them winning 2-0.
That one is recognized as a preseason trophy.